It's a show. Ice on my feet. Ice on my feet.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like.
What's good, vlog? What's good, YouTube? What's good, T Money fam? This is a different site. Yeah, as y'all can see in the title, it's another shoe video for y'all. I think that I'll be doing these kind of a lot because a lot of companies are asking me to review their shoe and promote it and show y'all how good the quality is, which the qualities are really good. So I recommend y'all shopping and copping, especially with my discount. But if y'all want the discount, y'all gotta wait till the end of the video. But anyways, without further ado, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. That's all I'm asking for. We on the road to 1K. Hopefully by the time I get back to school, I'm at a 1K. That's 300 subscribers. I know that's kind of pushing it, but it is what it is. We're gonna try to keep doing it, doing whatever we gotta do. But so today we have the disclaimer. I don't have the box right now with me because I got them 2 weeks ago and I needed to film this video, but I didn't get time to, and I could not take the box with me to LA, so I don't have the box. But I believe they're the Midnight Navies, midnight something. But without further ado, boom, we got the shoes. I don't really like threes, but these threes go hard. Yeah, I wore them already before a little bit. You can see like the bottom, but they're like, it's blue, white, and gray. I really like the camo, or whatever you call this look, snake look, whatever you call it. I don't know, but I really mess with these shoes heavy. My favorite color is red, but like low-key, when I see anything blue, I mess with it too, as much as I was low-key mess with red. So I don't know, these are fine. That's all I gotta say. But it's literally good quality. It's literally nothing really to it, you feel me? It's good quality. I believe I would probably try on fits with these so y'all can see what I can do and how I can style them. That's if I have all my clothes here with me, but yeah, I'll probably try on some stuff with these. Yeah, it's good quality. This is the bottom. Like I said, I already worn them before. The side, the front, the back. It doesn't feel flimsy. The box came in good condition. It came with the wrapping too, just how I normally do. This is what the inside looks like. I got these in a size 10.5 because I am a 10.5, but really a 10. It comes with this inside. But yeah, both shoes, they're literally fire. They're literally lit. It's not really much to say about them. I would just go cop, because when you need to ball on a budget, when it's time to ball on the budget, you already know where to go. The Instagram is top.tips 2021. Again, it's top.tips 2021. I will put it on the screen. And yeah, like, just get into the shoe. It's crisp. It's all white. It's not cream. It's all white. It's crisp. It's crisp to the laces. You feel me? Like, you can't go wrong with a good three. I went on Pinterest trying to look how to style them. It's gonna be good when it's time to style these. But yeah, y'all about to just look at me style them, and boom. I'm editing this video right now, but what I tried to say was, y'all about to look at me style them. I literally was burping while I was trying to say it. I mean, hiccuping. Now it's time to give y'all my last say. For the code, use Tyler for $15 off. Again, use Tyler for $15 off. It will be right there on the screen. If y'all want to see me do more reviews or like clothing stuff, because I'm always shopping and I always have a lot of clothes and like shoes to show off. So if y'all want to see me do more of these, let me know. But yeah, these are the shoes. Again, I recommend these. Cop these. Top.tips 2021. Really, this seller is so good. Quality is amazing. But yeah, cop the shoe, buy the shoe, use the code, cop some more shoes. The more you buy, the more money you get off, low key. But don't let them know I told you that. But again, use code Tyler for $15 off. Let them know I brought you there, so I can keep giving y'all shoe reviews. Cause what, y'all comment another shoe that y'all want to see me review, and I'll get him. I got them. I'll get them for you, just for you. But again, like I said, cop, drop, use code, do what you gotta do. But thank y'all for watching this video. Again, this is the shoe. This is the shoe. Ice on my feet. Ice on my feet. Love y'all. Bye, T Money fam. Stay tuned for the next video. I might be doing a late Vlogmas weekly vlogmas. I will be vlogging since I'm back home, but without further ado, love y'all, Team Money fam. See y'all next video.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they